Editing portraits can become mind-numbing after a while, and sometimes you can even get trapped using the same style over and over again, just because you're so used to it. But why not try out some new flavors and styles to see if you could spice up your work a little bit? This is the perfect opportunity, because we're coming at you with a hot new freebie today. The Lucia pack of free Lightroom presets, which is compatible with mobile and desktop Adobe Lightroom. Included in this free Lightroom presets pack are 10 unique portrait Lightroom presets perfect for adding summer colors and warm tones to your portraits. You'll receive 8 color tone presets and 2 black and white presets. If you like the look of these, click the link in the description to download them. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And if you're looking for professional LUTs, Lightroom desktop and mobile presets, Premiere Pro templates, and more photo and video education, visit FilterGrade.com today.